Hi everyone, drinking orange juice is so very important for our immune system, and for you to be able to consume a natural orange juice, you need to make it yourself at home. So this is a simple way of making your orange juice so that you can easily take off the seeds, but this orange that I'm making doesn't have seeds in it. So I use a handmade orange juicer. I squeeze the juice and I drink. Now, drinking homemade orange juice has many benefits. It's rich in vitamin C, which helps boost your immune system and protect you from common illness. It also gives you a natural energy, supports your skin, improve digestion, and provides antioxidants that help the body fight harmful substances. So, making your fresh juice is always healthier than packaged juice that comes from industries, because those ones does not guarantee safety. So if you want to glow your skin, if you want to keep your immune system healthy for you, your friends, your family, your kids, then go in for your homemade natural juice. It's very simple. Just cut, use your handmade and squeeze, and make sure you extract the fibers, because the fibers is very important for digestion. If you don't want to squeeze the juice like that, you can as well peel the orange and eat everything with the fiber in it. Thank you for watching, and see you in my next video.